Ready ka na? Ha?
Ready na.
Okay. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I have a special guest right here. If you haven't seen him, please do watch my vlogs. Follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter, and on Facebook. Everything, kasi nandun lahat siya.
Yes.
And to top all of that, boyfriend ko siya, as you can see sa title. Highly requested to dun sa Christmas Eve vlog ko. So if you haven't watched it, I will link it down below. So ito yung boyfriend tag. So basically, so merong 30 questions akong itatanong.
30? Sabi mo
30 lang. 31. So 30 questions about me or about my our relationship. So kailangan masagot mo siya ng tama kasi 3 years na tayo. So kailangan alam mo ng lahat.
Okay.
Okay, so let's get started. Question number 1. When and where did we meet? Ang tagal!
Burger King.
Dun ba?
National pala.
Specific.
National Vito Cruz.
Yan. Number 2.
Tama ba?
Okay. Number 2. When did you meet my parents? Christmas ba? Na-meet mo si mama ng ano? Hindi kasi different time. Pero nandigaw siya sa bahay. So, basically yun.
Doon pa yun sa...
Oo. Doon sa isang bahay. So,
teka. Kailan ba yun? Hindi ko naman siya
September 2014?
2014
Something like that. Number 3. Where or when was our first kiss? Baka pinapanood ni Papa to.
LRT station.
Baka sabihin nila nagmamahal tayo. Hindi pumamahal yun ah. Ano lang, kinis niya ako sa forehead.
Forehead, nose, then...
Okay, number 4. Who said I love you first?
Me.
Siya. Siya talaga. Aminado siya. Okay, let's skip that kasi hindi ko rin siya masyadong gusto. So, number 6 susunod nun is, ano naman yung sana hindi mo ginawa? What is something you wish I... Ano ba? Okay na nga.
Okay
number 7 na nga.
Okay.
Where was our first date? Official date as couples or dating talaga? Baka dating. O sige, sabihin mo na lang yung dating tsaka yung as couple.
In Robermita.
Yung dating? Nung
Yung spaghetti house.
Okay. 8. What ice color did you wish I had? Anong gusto mong eye color?
Eye color? Natural.
Number 9. What TV show do I seem to always forget?
Disney. Okay.
Number 10. What dressing do I always wear?
Dressing?
O like, ano yung paano ko manamit?
All fashion. Gusto ko yung pag sneakerhead yung dating yung
like,
street style.
Okay.
Pagkababae mo yan.
Like now?
Yan.
No?
Ito mo.
No. Number 11. Which food I like and don't like? Food I like first. Kahit one lang.
Food you like? Machado.
Okay. I don't like. Yung kilay mo.
Ano ba?
Ano ba? Ewan ko sa'yo.
Ayaw mo ng atay. Basta may atay.
Sige. Tama. Number 12. Which drinks I like / don't like? I like mga
Coke. Large Coke. Especially McDo.
yan. Don't like.
Don't like water.
Nag-water na nga ako eh. Ano?
Basta Coke, ayaw mo na lahat. Okay na. Okay ka na sa Coke.
Bakit ang tagal mo mag-isip?
Wait lang. Shadow ka.
Number 13. Which are my most favorite drink or food?
McDo.
Okay, lahat ng McDo. Okay, number 14. Ito, basic. What is my shoe size?
Size 6.
Yan. Ito, what are my weird customs?
Bing! Kapit mo!
What would I eat every day if I could?
Large fries. Large Coke.
17. What am I good at?
In life? Yeah.
Decisions in life.
Decisions in life.
Taray, 8. Okay, number 18. What am I not bad at?
You're good at all.
Talaga ba? Which kind of music do I like more?
Ben.
Insert music.
Moana
song.
And starving. Nakakainis na. Lagi na lang.
Di ko na nga pinapatugtog yun eh.
Siya lagi.
Ang pangit kasi ng mga patugtog. May sample. Insert music. Ano ba?
Ano?
favorite ko yun eh.
Caroline, no?
Wow, favorite ko yun.
Sila!
Killer, West Side
Which song do I like most?
Sinabi nga ako sa'yo.
Kakasabi lang. 21, which sport do I like? Which sport team do I like most? 23, do I play sport?
Sims.
Sims.
Sims Lord yan.
What is my eyes color?
Brown.
Color blind, dark brown. Ito, number 25. Who is my best friend?
Oreo. Trisha. Shoutout. Trisha. Pao.
Yan. Okay, 26.
Sinabi lang eh.
Where does my family come from?
Tarlac?
Bakit ba Tarlac?
Eh, kasi dito kayo eh. Manila na kayo.
Ayan, 27. What I often do in my free times?
Nanonood siya ng mga vlog. Ni-stock niya sarili niya. Yun. Alam niyo yun, guys.
Ito, 28. How long have we dated? 3 years. And we still date every day. No joke. It still feels like we're dating. Alam mo yun, di ba? Siyempre kapag kayo na, parang feeling mo nawawala na yung spark. Ayoko na nga!
Tuloy mo, sorry.
Ayoko na. Move on na tayo. Ito, 29.
Tuloy mo!
Ayoko na. 29. Number 29. Do I often make you angry? Number 30. Which film do I like most?
The musical one. Like Frozen, Moana. Anything ba?
Na kumakanta like, I've been standing at the edge of the Okay, that's it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching.
Ngayon na minute.
Kaping init.
Bago matapos to, may share lang ako sa inyo. 3 facts about
Me.
Anne Valencia.
That's me.
The number 1.
Okay, number 1.
Hindi
Okay,
natatanong, hindi lang nagtatanong.
Ano nila?
Ang full name ni Anne Valencia ay Monica Anne Valencia.
Number
First
1
name.
first.
Second one, ang height niya ay 5'3 and a half. 5'3 ka. 5'3 ka, di ba? Ano ba? Go, yari tayo dun.
Sino yung 5'3"?
Hindi, 5'3 ka. Kasi 5'4 ako eh.
Sino yung 5'3"?
Ikaw yun eh.
Nagkakalokohan tayo dito, guys. Hindi po ako 5...
Height ko talaga yun. 5'4 pag naka-shoes. Sorry, mali lang
Okay,
ako.
okay. Next one.
Isa siyang dog lover. Number 2. Dog lover.
Yeah, I love dogs.
Ang dami...
I love dogs. Okay.
Ang dami na siyang dog na napagdaanan.
Madami na.
20 plus na siguro. No joke.
Kaso they all died. Sad. But I have... Currently now, I have 4 dogs. 4.
Number 3, hindi talaga siya tunay na babae. Lalaki talaga siya. I mean, galawang lalaki. Pero, I still love her.
Like, hoy, ano ba? Mga ganun.
Classic.
Tapos, pag
Classic
umupo, kung nakapal ako man nakapants, bubuka ka at bubuka ka.
Hashtag classic Anne.
Yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed watching. And don't forget to give this video a
Thumbs up.
and subscribe to this channel if you haven't. And don't forget to check out my social media accounts. It will be down below.
Follow my Instagram.
Yeah, and check out this Instagram. It has nice feed, black and white feed. Off it goes. So again, that's it. And don't forget to smile every day. And thank you.
Be positive. And yeah.
I love you. Bye.
Bye-bye.